Ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of immigration processes? You're not alone. It's like trying to solve a 1,000-piece puzzle without a reference picture. Take the I-821 form for temporary protected status, for instance. It's a maze of filing fees, form additions, submission guidelines, payment methods, translations, and filing tips. And let's not even get started on applying for a non-immigrant visa. The sheer volume of requirements can make your head spin. It's not just about filling out a form. It's about understanding what each question means, knowing what documents to attach, and dealing with the constant fear of making a mistake that could set you back months or even years. It's a daunting task, and it's understandable if you feel like the odds are stacked against you. But what if there was a way to simplify all of this? Enter NavasAutomation, your trusted partner in navigating the immigration maze. NavasAutomation is no ordinary company. It's a beacon of hope for those seeking to embark on a new journey, a fresh start in a land of opportunities. Specializing in immigration consultation services, this team of dedicated professionals is here to guide you every step of the way, turning the intricate web of immigration processes into a manageable path. Navigating the world of immigration forms can often feel like deciphering a cryptic code. Whether it's the I-821, the application for temporary protected status, or the process of applying for a non-immigrant visa, NavasAutomation is well-versed in the language of these forms. Their expertise lies in simplifying the process, breaking down complex regulations into understandable steps, and providing clear, concise guidance to ensure you complete and submit your forms correctly. But NavasAutomation is so much more than just a guide. They're your ally, your advocate, your support system. They understand that behind every form, every application, there's a person with a story, a dream. They understand the weight of the responsibility they carry, and they're committed to making your journey as smooth and stress-free as possible. Their years of experience and in-depth knowledge of immigration procedures have earned them the trust and respect of countless clients. They are dedicated to helping you achieve your goals, and they won't rest until they've helped you navigate the maze of immigration to your desired destination. Their commitment doesn't end with the paperwork. They're there for you, offering support and guidance even after your forms have been submitted, making sure you're never left in the dark about what comes next. With NavasAutomation, the immigration process doesn't have to be a daunting task. With them by your side, you're not just a number in a system, but a valued client with a unique story and a dream worth pursuing. So why navigate the maze alone when you have a trusted partner ready to guide you? Trust NavasAutomation because they're not just about getting you through the process, they're about getting you to your American dream. So what makes NavasAutomation stand out in the crowd? Well, let's start with their user-friendly website. It's designed with you in mind, making it easy to navigate and find the information you need. No more wading through complicated jargon or endless pages of confusing information. And then there's the ease of scheduling a call. With a few clicks, you can arrange a consultation at a time that suits you, providing a level of convenience that's hard to match. But what really sets NavasAutomation apart is their commitment to personalized service. They understand that every journey to the American dream is unique, and they're there to guide you every step of the way. They're not just processing forms and ticking boxes, they're investing in your future, making sure you have the best possible chance of success. Whether you're seeking assistance with the I-821, application for temporary protected status, or applying for a non-immigrant visa, NavasAutomation's experienced consultants are there to help. NavasAutomation is more than just an immigration consultancy service. It's your partner in achieving your American dream. Ready to turn the complex into simple? Let's talk about how NavasAutomation can help. Navigating immigration processes can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With our team of experienced consultants, we can guide you through the intricacies of forms like the I-821, the application for temporary protected status, and even non-immigrant visa applications. We are committed to providing you with the best service that is both efficient and reliable. Our goal is to alleviate the stress and uncertainty that can often come with immigration procedures. We do this by ensuring that every detail is taken care of, from understanding the various forms and regulations to ensuring that your applications are postmarked on time. What's more, scheduling a call with us is as easy as a click of a button. Simply visit our website, navasautomation.com, and select a time that works best for you. We're here to simplify the process and help you navigate your journey with confidence and ease. Don't let the immigration process overwhelm you. Schedule a call with NavasAutomation today and take your first step towards the American dream.